So, hey you guys, welcome to week 7. I want to let you know that we have exactly 2 weeks left, and that's it. So, week 7, let's just click week 7 and show you what's going on here. So, anyways, the first thing that's kind of the easiest is the Walmart essay. Now, let me explain something to you. If you've accessed the New York Times for other classes, you may not be able to see this essay right away. However, just switch your browsers. If you're already using Chrome, use Internet Explorer. If you're already using Internet Explorer, try Firefox. Just switch browsers, you're good to go. If you still have issues, let me know and we will solve the problem. Here's week 7 checklist. Please access that, and that way it'll feel kind of good if you check things off. And then that way you also know that you've learned the lessons and have completed the assignments. Visual rhetorical analysis essay outline. Originally, for some reason, it was due last night, but me being who I am, forgot to put it in week 6. So please forgive me, and I just moved everything up. So lucky for you, all the due dates have been moved forward, but that's okay because next week we have very little to do anyways. So it'll be actually kind of nice. So anyways, this isn't due, it's an outline. So just put down what you're thinking you're going to put at different parts of your essay, and what do you think you're going to do for a hook? What do you think you're going to do? What's your working thesis? What do you think kind of background information do you think you're going to put in there? What's one of the persuasive elements in your ad, and what do you think you're going to be talking about? And that would be your first body paragraph, first body paragraph 1 or 2. So, yeah. Anyways, here's a video about citing an MLA, and I go through it. I think it's like 4 minutes, so it's kind of quick. But this would be helpful because the works cited pages that I've been seeing are kind of rough, and so this will help you spruce those things up. And then visual analysis essay, here's the first rough draft. So that won't be due till the 24th. Today is the 19th. I mean, seriously, you guys, it should be, these due dates are much more relaxed, that's for sure. Peer workshop, you can jump on anytime as soon as you get that first rough draft done. But please, may I ask you to do one thing, and that is don't put your name down until, or on that worksheet, on that discussion board until you're actually ready to review somebody's work, because they may be ready to hop to yours and get to yours, but if you don't get to theirs in the same amount of time period, then they're going to be kind of like held up. So don't post your name until you're actually ready to look at that person's essay, like right then, or within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, let's do that. I would certainly get an appointment for this writing center right away, and then write a reflection. Spruce up those pathos and logos. This is just a quick refresher of, I'm sorry again, I forgot to put that in week 6, but if you notice, you have a whole week to do it, so please just pretend that week 6, the words week 6 aren't even there. So just a refresher on these videos, and then a 10-point quiz. Synthesis paper number 2, I have to tell you, those synthesis papers are absolutely out of this world. They are so good. I have never had a class who have risen above the texts as much as you and focused on the actual authors' ideas. So please keep that up. We only have 1 more to go. So yes, I know they're involved, but this is really when your brain is working. You guys I've ramped you up this whole time so that you'll be extremely successful. And so far you are. This week's texts are that you can choose from are here, and the authors. MLA formatted document, please watch this quick video. I think again, it's only like 4 minutes. Week 7 spruce up. I need to change that due date. Overdue. Oh, I put down June. I gotta fix that, you guys. Week 7 spruce ups, MLA format. That again is at the MLA format is when you wanna, the reason why it's way down here is because it's more of a polishing act. It's more of an edit. And so revisions are the big things that take place early on in your papers, and then the polishing takes place later in the drafts of your papers. So I just wanted to give you a little spruce up on the MLA format And then there is an assignment, it's fault finding. It's so fun, it's fault finding. Here's the second draft. So that's after you do your peer review and make changes, after you visit the writing center and make changes, and after you get my feedback and make changes. And then this is the final essay, and that would be the polishing, that would be the typos, and that would be the spelling errors, and that would be the grammar and punctuation, and make sure you have the right font, and make sure you have the right format, and make sure your works cited page is all spruced up. And then again, here's the week 7 checklist. So hope that's helpful. I'll make sure I go back and change that due date. That's a little ridiculous. And please reach out if you have any questions.